Dumelang sanibonani. Ke kgutlile hape ka video ngibuyile futhi. Guys, apparently there's a video circulating mo ho na leng khona umuntu wesifazane violator or kuyashayana lapho. I don't know what's going on. So I want to clear something. That is not me. Akusuka kushapa umuntu angaze ngashaya umuntu angilwe nje nokulwa angaze ngalo nomuntu. So bengifuna ukuthi ni understand ukuthi that's not me, that's not my voice there. Whatever ufuna ukucikela igama lami phansi uyazama shem, uyazama ukulwa ngokucikela igama lami phansi. I've never hit anyone. You can even match the voice. That's not my voice there. Angingeni indaba yamashayana angaze ngishayana nomuntu. So please.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoso Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. A girlfriend ya Lebogang Hadebe, ex-husband ya Lerato Skhosana uPortia Xaba. Finally guys, we decided, you know what, let me just break my silence. Kesana, this is after Umbali in the video exposing ex-husband wake uLebo, and people know who Lebo is dating because he's very open in relationship yakhe lapha ku TikTok with Portia Xaba. So people assumed ukuthi that person lo washaya Mbali alo beka cheater na husband wakhe, it's Portia, the current girlfriend, and it's not Kesana. The guy that Lebo wanted to take as a second wife, lo bonakala ku video, or rather lo background video ashaya Umbali, it's not Portia. So that girl and Lebogang Hadebe, they broke up, guys. So Lebogang is in a relationship with Portia Xaba. Portia, it's the new girl. She's a student. By date and Lebo, and by a visit, and they don't stay together, but by a visit and any relationship, it's very open. Siyabona Libya spoiler even lapha ku TikTok, buying her flowers, chocolates, nan, but uthi girl awukahleni nkosi yami, uthi kahleni njena ngokuloku nimhlukubeta nimthuka lapha ku TikTok nithi yey washaya Mbali, yey she's the reason why umshado wambali and uLebo ended. Like she was not in the picture. Even Umbali I did say kulenye video ukuthi niyamsukela shemugela, and uLebo ushilo neke ukuthi at that time he wasn't dating the current girlfriend uPortia. It was someone else. Yet people bacabanga ukuthi ngibani nguPortia, and people are dragging uPortia kuma comment section bayamothuka ukuthi wena washaya Mbali, wena uyi-home wrecker, and it's not even the girl. Ukabona wathi liqala livula ingubo lingene basho makusukela lokho, because ugirl utifikele muva, like she doesn't know about the drama yabo Mbali and ubani uLebo. But now people are saying ukuthi nguwe wena. The fact that when you're dating the guy kusho ukuthi nguwe washaya Mbali kahle kahle lapha ku video ukhuluma ngawe. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.